This year wasn't perfect. It was real, full of lessons, late nights, and moments that tested what we're made of. We've seen the highs and lows of running a small business, the kind that doesn't make headlines, but shapes who we are. Because growth isn't just about numbers. It's about patience. It's about grit. It's about people who show up, even when it's hard. Every challenge, every setback, every small win, they built something bigger than any of us alone.
Oh, and I brought my rods too.
This is the story of that year, the year that built us. Every person on this team carried part of the weight. Every late night, every early morning, every tough call, it all mattered. What we built this year didn't come easy. It came from effort, from care, from doing things the right way, even when no one was watching. Behind every project was a group of people who believed in something bigger, in each other. We learned that real progress doesn't always look like progress. Sometimes it looks like a tired smile at 2 a.m. or a quiet, "We got it done," after a long week.
We ended up doing the same thing in the back. It's pretty simple, just a one straight shot. Came right up through the bottom, straight up to the top. 180 cam covers absolutely everything back here, and some.
That's what keeps us moving. Not perfection, but pride. The kind that comes from showing up together again and again. To our clients, every call, every project, every bit of trust you placed in us mattered. From securing a warehouse to wiring a new network, or rushing to fix what couldn't wait, you gave us a reason to show up, ready to solve the next challenge. Your trust became our fuel.
As you can see, we did the job.
And every handshake, every thank you, reminded us that our work means something beyond the cables and code. We're proud to serve the small businesses that make Milwaukee move. The shops, the managers, the homeowners who count on us when things have to work. You believed in a local team. You believed in RedBird. And because of that, we're still here, growing, learning, and building, one connection at a time.
I don't know what else to say.
To our families, thank you. For every dinner we missed, every late call you waited through, every weekend that turned into another workday. You've carried the weight we couldn't and never asked for credit. Your patience gave us room to chase something bigger. Your belief reminded us why we do what we do. Even when the job pulled us away, you never stopped cheering us on. You're the quiet part of this company, the foundation beneath every success.
Blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, brown.
We might wear the logo, but you're part of this story too. And no matter how far we go or how much we build, one thing will always be true. We couldn't have done it without you.
Wondering how to sell. Wondering how to
Looking ahead to 2026, we won't pretend to know what's coming, but we do know this: we're ready. Because every challenge behind us became preparation for what's next. We've been tested, we've been stretched, and through it all, we've grown stronger, smarter, more united. Sweat, frustration, even failure, they've never stopped us. They've built us.
pick it up for where it included.
And as we close out this year, we pause to recognize what matters most: our team, our families, our clients, and everyone who believed in RedBird.
Bendito sea el nombre del Señor. Remember that guy?
There's more to build, more to learn, and a whole lot ahead. But tonight, we celebrate.
Do you want me to say name, all that stuff?
From all of us at RedBird, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and thank you for being part of our story.
We might have one inside that bucket. Inside there, yeah, for those guys. Might be it might work, not sure.